Hello, you are welcome. My name is Engineer A.S. Yunusa. I'm a structural engineer, project manager, financial intelligence student, and business management expert. So today we are going to start our class on structural design for our young engineers that are willing to know how to do structural design. So this video is a preliminary preamble to what we are going to study on our structural design class. So I want to prepare your mind. I want to get you prepared ahead of the class. And I know most of you want to learn structural engineering. You want to know how to design. You want to know how to produce structural drawing. I don't know, whatever reason. Most people, they have seen a big engineer that is making money from design. They want to earn that money. Some people want to I know how to design. Let me learn it so that I can show people learn to know how to design. Yeah, whatever is your reason is fine, but you have to be willing to follow the journey in becoming a structural designer. In this our present age, the technological age, most of us doesn't want to study the first principle. If you want to teach someone design, the first thing is teach me Proctor, teach me Orion, teach me Q series. But you have to start from first principle. You have to start from first principle because so those softwares are being designed on first principle. You are going to input data. You are going to communicate with the software. So if you don't understand what you are communicating, so how are you going to give a profitable output or a safety output just as the reason or intention of producing a structural design? So I want to prepare your mind ahead of that. Now, if you want to learn structural drawing, you can learn how to produce structural drawing. You can learn other people have their means of teaching people, but my own method of nurturing young engineers on structural design is different. So I don't go straight to software software method. I don't do that because that was not how I was taught. So I learned quietly how to use one or two softwares on structural design, but I respect that first principle where I started from. So if you are willing to learn from me, these are the things you are going to do. Number one, you are going to, the first and which is most important, you are going to be willing. I have mentored a lot of students. I have come across students. The problem with them is not to start because they thought it's actually is easy, which is actually true, but it's not as expected as they thought, and they will run away. So you have to be willing. You have to be prepared that no matter how it is, you are not going to give up. And I urge you not to give up because there are so many benefits in you knowing how to produce structural drawing. That is one. Then secondly, you are going to have a system like a laptop. You are not an architect that need a very high graphic laptop. At least basic laptop that can accommodate AutoCAD and Excel sheets. Let me say Riser and Orion and Q series. So you need to have a laptop. Then three, you need to have a text, like some textbooks. I would recommend some textbook for you. Like Oyenuga is very good in practical structural design. Then Mosley and Bonge, yes, is there also. You can also get hold of them. You don't need to buy them. Yeah, we have them soft copy. So if you are willing, you can comment or share your email with me. I'll forward the soft copies for you. Then we have Mackenzie. That's the one we also call Mackenzie. So you have to lay your hand on Mackenzie. Then you have to not only to have these textbooks, you must read, because most of the mistake, like the first time I started learning structural design when with multi designs in Kano, I actually thought that when you start designing, you are going to leave the book behind, and it's actually a new ball game. But no, you are going to learn structural design as if you are still in the classroom, because there are so many informations in design that you are not going to leave behind. Also, you need to lay your hand on BS. I use BS. I'm very conversant with BS, despite I use Eurocode as well. But we are going to take the journey with BS 8110 part 1 to 3. So you are going to have them soft copy also. Then let me not go far. We are not going to start a design of steel now. Maybe as time permits, we will read there. Then what else? Okay, you have to go back to your secondary school textbook and read that topic called moment and equilibrium. You have to go back and read it. Very important, because especially design of beam actually deal more on moment and equilibrium. So if you don't understand those basic concepts, you are going to have problem with design. So I think I have talked about almost all the things that you need to have in preparation for our classes. Then design, structural drawing production is actually of these steps that goes concurrently. I think we have the aspect of drafting, then we have design, then we have detailing. The drafting is the output. If you go to the site, the structural drawing that the engineers are interpreting in doing their construction is a product of drafting. It's the output. So those lines that they printed for them, column, beam, all those their positions, all this thing. So that is you are going to learn drafting. That means we are going to do it more detailed in AutoCAD. Then after drafting, the next thing is design. That is where you put your mathematical competence, your design, DSS, everything into practice. Then detail, you now input figures of all your production, what the value you design. If it is 2i12, 2i16, you now you detail your design. So I urge you to be prepared, because the journey we are going to embark on is a very profitable one. You can make a lot out of it. It can give you money, it can give you network, it can give you even fame. So you have to take it serious, and I'm very confident that if you take it serious, it's going to be profitable for you. So in meantime, we are going to start. Then every other thing that you need, or any question you have to ask me, you can drop it on the comment section, and I promise you I'm going to reply everything. I'll pay attention to everything and I will reply them. So don't forget, if you don't have the soft copy of everything I said, you can drop your mail. I'm going to you see the mail on the screen that you are going to forward. Just send a mail to that mail, then I will reply you with the PDF. Just send a mail, I need ABCD, then my staff will attend to you. So, but don't forget, we are going to stop here so that I will not bother you with more words. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, very, very important, and turn on the notification button, so that whenever we post the next episode, you can just have notification and watch straight away. So hope to see you in class. I wish you best of luck. So thank you very much.